of Yoshi. As you can see, he runs out while the dog's on the description right now.
Hi guys.
You wanna put them in the You wanna put Pearl in the kennel? Put Pearl. So my kitty Yoshi is a Easter. This is definitely got on YouTube. Then, Mr. Kitty Piggy has a tail. Missy Boy, start your video.
Chase. It's me with you.
My Mr. Kitty.
Oh, he's looking by me. I'm right over here, people.
Yup, so this is a very good Yoshi video. It's very short.
And it's gonna be called
Chase's Cat Yoshi. Chase's Cat Yoshi video 7. Chase's Cat
We
Yoshi.
didn't do a video 6 yet.
I did. I put it on YouTube already.
Oh yeah.
Already
We
published
did
it.
put a video 6.
Alright, so let's do this now. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know what we should do on our next animal video. Bye.